Here we have a 2023 BMW MA Competition. It's a 4.4 V8. Customer wants to get a little sound out of it. It's currently all stock. We're going to leave the rear mufflers stock, except we're going to take this, call it a resonator, muffler out, just put a delete pipe in its place. Leave the factory dual mode mufflers there. I'm going to take the X pipe muffler. It's got a dual in, dual out set up there. We're going to put an H pipe in there. It'll be all stock up front. Should wake it up a little bit. So we'll have to let you be the judge. Let me get back to you here. Okay, so now we have the rear mid muffler deleted out of there, and we have the H pipe installed. It's all stock except for the mid muffler deleted, put an H pipe, and then the rear mid muffler deleted. So you can follow all that. Should give it a little more of a wake up call. Let's see what it sounds like.